there more underneath these other boards? Or do you think that's the whole thing?
I think we got it here. I think we hit the nail on the freaking head. There's one little thing down there. That's it.
Now, all that whiter one is already, that's fresh cones, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm out of here. And the rest of it is full of honey?
Yeah.
I got a thing on my light, so we're good. It's getting pretty good video.
All right. Man, that is just beautiful, man. That is some sight to see, man. Like you said, that's the hand of God right there, brother. I can't believe they're not going crazy. Wow.
How you gonna grab the queen?
I don't know what a queen is yet.
I mean, how are you? If you got a plan? Is that a hive beetle? Yeah, that's a hive beetle.
Let me back out.
Will you be able to load this up on the video on the computer? Can you load that on the computer?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We got to do that. We got to show this to the church, man.
Exactly.
Uh-huh.
This honeycomb is gorgeous. We're taking videos of it so we can put it on the computer so hopefully the rest of the church can see it.